This is the wide, very urban area of Pohang. Going to the bus station. Ano mo? Modern na rin, ha? Touristy na rin. So if you go to Korea, don't limit lang yung mga two cities, which are Seoul at saka Busan. Go to other cities, you get the feel. So supposedly we're going to take to drive around now, but the advisory was winter here. Baka maraming snow sa daan, so I did not bring my international driver's license. So we're going back to Busan tonight. It's just 1 hour and 30 minutes from here by express bus. Ano?
Only crab.
Uy!
25,000 won.
Uy! Kain tayo dyan! Ano? Only crab! Kain tayo dyan! Kasi ko dyan, di makakain. Uy! Only crab! Ay sus! Not king crab! Kain tayo dito! Uy sus! Yung isang king crab, oh, yung look niya, oh. Sabi niya, lulutuin ako ng mga to ba? No?
Baby king crabs to ba?
Somebody will be eating me. Ano? Gusto niya mag-crab tayo?
Oh, try nyo!
What's about you guys?
Siya niya, magkano siya niya? Mag-allergic din siya.
Ako okay lang ako.
Walang problem sa akin.
Ikaw?
Ano lang ako, bila ko ng...
Hindi ka magkain?
Hindi, kain ako. Ano?
I-ask mo na. Available.
Ask mo, Kiars.
Saan nasa loob ba?
Bihira lang to ba? Maka-only crab tayo.
Try natin. Actually, kailangan may translate mo na. Baka...
Dalawa lang mag-only o tatlo. Grabe. Wow. Wow. Delicious. Wow.
Very delicious.
Delicious. Wow. Woo. Delicious.
Only Korea.
Only how much?
Yeah.
25.
One people.
Huh?
Person,
One person.
25,000.
Unlimited? Yeah. No limit?
One order? Sige, okay tayo. Go tayo.
Oh,
Oh.
inside na.
Grabe. Sarap. Tignan mo yung ice. Hindi kayo naawa sa mata.
Naiwan sa basa.